Hi guys, my name is Amit and today I am going to show you the hidden gem of Delhi within the political boundary of Delhi. It's a flora fauna enriched lake which is having fresh water, fishes, birds, animals, wildlife and full of oxygen. So this is a 360-degree view and you can easily see how cool and calm this place is. This is a serene nature which is available inside Delhi, and no need to visit to Uttarakhand, HP, J&K. You can still feel some moments from your busy urban life within the Delhi. So comment me for the location. Thank you.